Motherfucker is twisting. If you release a little bit now. Almost free. Alright, I'm free. You get the tension again. See if I don't think. Alright. And hold it right there. The butt is not going to swing into the building, right? Now it is kind of braking by itself. Alright. No, that was my call.